A Canadian woman has been sentenced to 8 years in prison for her role in an attempt to smuggle $20 million worth of cocaine into Australia. Melina Roberge was one of 3 Canadians who pled guilty to importing 95 kilograms of drugs into Australia on board a cruise ship. Roberge and her cabin mate Isabelle Lagasse posed as tourists on the trip, posting glamorous photos of their vacation on social media. Lagasse has already been jailed for 7.5 years. A 64-year-old Quebec man is still awaiting sentencing.